Hello everyone, we will take a cake and then draw the green color dots on it inside the triangle which we have drawn. Fill it one by one to make the Christmas tree. After it is done, we will decorate it on the sides using white color cream like this. Draw the dots on the sides of the cake, put it one by one, decorate it like this. Now in the between, make the teddy bear using brown color cream like this. Make the legs and the hands of the teddy bear on the sides, put the pink color dot on its ears and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting cake. For that, we'll take a white color cake and then put the red color cream on the top of it. Make the Santa Claus by putting its hat and white lines on its dress. Decorate it like this. After that, we will make its shoes and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then draw the lines on the sides of it like this. Make the frills very carefully on the sides. Outline it totally and then make the wavy frilled lines like this. Now using red color cream, we will make the dots on the top of the cake. And then on the bottom of the cake, we will draw the dots. Now make the designs on the top of the cake like this using green and red color cream and it's ready. Next, take a Santa Claus painting and then outline it using the chocolates or the melted chocolate syrup you can say. After you are completed with the drawings, fill it using different colors and refrigerate it and put it over the cake. Decorate it on the sides and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then remove the excess cream from the top. Now on the sides, put the brown color cream and spread it using the spatula. Now using the stick, we will draw the lines on the sides of it. On the top, spread the color a little bit like this and draw the lines. Now make the frilled or the frizzy lines like this using brown color cream. Now make the dots on the sides using red color cream. Decorate it by making the leaves using green color cream. Sprinkle some colorful balls or the pearls and it's ready. Next, take a square piece of cake and cover it using the chocolate cream like this. Now spread it from the sides. On the top of it, make a red color cream hump like this. Decorate it by making the white dots on it. Make a Santa Claus, make its hat. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth in the between. Make its hands using the red color cream in the same manner. Make its gloves on the hands. And your Santa Claus is almost ready. You can decorate by making the blocks on the chocolate shape as shown in the video. Put the white chocolate on the sides to represent the snow and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.